Dreams don't come true while you are sleeping. I'm talking to you. Wake up. You can also earn 15 to 20 lakhs per year. Yes, it is in your hands. Whether you're a salaried employee, a retired employee, or you're a homemaker. If you want to start your entrepreneurial journey, then you can make your dreams come true with manufacturing businesses. Yes, you heard it right. You can do a manufacturing business even from the comfort of your home. Now you must be wondering, which manufacturing business should I do? Therefore, Freedom App, Bharat's #1 livelihood platform, brings to you a number of courses on manufacturing business like cloth bag manufacturing business, wooden maps business, and many more. In these courses, you will be guided by expert mentors who have been doing exceptionally well in these businesses from many years. And after watching these courses, if you still have any doubts, you can connect with these mentors over a video call and clarify all your doubts. So what are you waiting for? Learn the secrets of manufacturing business and also explore more than 1200 life-changing opportunities only on Freedom App, which is trusted by over 1 crore users. Don't wait. Download Freedom App now.